Drunk bird, he's a bird and he's drunk, and he's got a lot of shit going on cause he's a bird. Hello, I have been away for a long time and my cousin from Scotland fill in for me. We are extended family from lots of sexes. Now for some drunken shenanigans. Oh, I have been knocked out and raped. This is not a good start.
Hi, drunk bird, how's it going?
Hello, mildly inebriated frog.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay.
I have been knocked out and raped.
Is it?
Yes, it is. And I must find who did it and put poo on his face. But first, I must knock you out and rape you!
God damn it.
Oh, I do not know what happened there. Where was I?
You're over there.
Oh, thank you. Ah! My path is blocked by a troll bridge.
No, you.
Greetings, troll. I wish to get to other side of bridge.
Why?
To eat fruit.
Why?
It's good for you. And good for me.
Tits are gonna come out. You're doing it wrong.
No, you are!
No, you are.
No, you're!
You're.
No, you're!
I'm.
Yes, you am.
I'm.
You am.
Yam.
No, jam. Hello again, mildly inebriated frog.
Hey.
Sorry for knocking you out and raping you back there.
Oh, it's alright, it was actually me who knocked you out and raped you.
Oh, is that ironic?
Nope.
Drunk bird. He's a bird, and he's drunk. And he's got a lot of shit going on, 'cause he's a bird.